So now we will write a JavaScript program in order to find the duplicate characters in a string. So guys, let us move to VS Code over here, and simply inside the programs folder, let me just create a new file in this case. So as you can see, we have this duplicate characters.js file over here. Now guys, we need to find all the duplicate characters, which means any of the letter present more than once in a string. We need to highlight that particular letter along with the count of that particular letter. So guys, let us create a function in order to print all the duplicate characters. So over here we will create the function with the name that is duplicate characters over here, which is going to take the string as the parameter, that is str. Now guys, this particular str will have the original string over here. Now guys, what we have to do is the logic in order to find the duplicate characters is to use the map. So guys, over here let us initialize a map variable. So basically we are going to say character count over here. So let me just name it properly, that is character count. It is equal to, and in order to initialize a map in JavaScript, simply we can use the open and close curly braces. So guys, over here this is the map object that we are going to create, and it is going to have the key value pairs inside this particular map variable. Now guys, what will be the keys and the values? Basically the key will be the letter inside this particular string that we are passing as the parameter, and the value to that particular key, that is letter, will be the number of occurrences of that character. So guys, let us see how we can do that. So simply we have to use the for loop over here, and this will go from I, it is equal to 0, and it will go up to the string length. So guys, over here simply we are going to say str dot length over here, which is going to find the length of the string. So I will go from 0 up to the length of the string, and then we have the incrementation part, that is I plus plus over here. So guys, basically we are going to iterate through all the characters that are present inside the string, and then based on that particular character we are going to set the key value pair over here. Now guys, first of all we need to extract the character from this particular string. So let us say we have the character over here as the variable, and then it is equal to, every time the interpreter comes inside this for loop throughout the length of the string, it is going to have the I value over here, which will help us in order to get the characters inside the string. So guys, over here we will assign the value, that is string of I, to the character every time, and then guys, using this character as the key for this particular map, that is character count, we can find all the duplicate characters. So guys, how we can do that? So basically we have to use the character count map over here. So this is the map, and basically the key that we have to use is the character this time that we have extracted from the ith position of the string. So guys, over here simply inside the open and close square brackets we are going to provide the character, and in this way we can assign the value to a specific key inside the map object inside JavaScript. So guys, over here this is nothing but the character count map that is pointing to a specific key, that is character over here. Now guys, we want to increment the value, like whatever value is present inside this particular key, we need to increment it by 1 over here. So guys, simply what we can do is, first of all we need to check whether it is having certain value or not. If it is not having any value, which means the value for this particular key will be null initially. So simply what we can do is, over here character count, and then followed by open and close square brackets, simply we can say character over here, which is the key right now, and then after the brackets we can simply say plus 1 over here. So guys, whatever value is present for this particular key inside the character count map, that value will be incremented by 1 over here. But guys, what if there is no count available for this particular key initially? So as we have seen, basically we have initialized this map using the empty map over here, in which case this particular key will have the null value. So guys, over here simply we will provide the OR operator, and then we can simply say 0 over here. So guys, if it is returning a null value, then basically we are going to take the value of 0 over here, to which we need to increment the count by 1 in this case, and this is the line of code that is responsible in order to increment the count of the characters that are present inside the string variable over here. And then guys, after going through all the characters using the for loop, at the end of this particular for loop we will have the map, that is character count over here, which is going to have the keys, that is all the letters of the string. Along with that, we are going to have the value for those keys which will have the count of all those characters. So guys, let us print all those count and the duplicate characters as well. So guys, over here simply we are going to use the foreign loop in this case. So as you can see, this is the foreign loop that we can use, and basically as you can see, it is going to use the key inside the object. So in this case, our object is this particular map, that is character count. So let me just copy this and paste this inside of the object over here. Let me just remove all these lines of code which is not required. We need to write our own lines of code over here in order to go through all the keys of the character count. And then guys, inside the for loop, we need to check whether the value of this particular key that is present inside the character count, is it greater than 1. So guys, over here the occurrences of the key, that is the character, should be greater than 1 in order to print that duplicate character along with the count over here. So basically character count of this particular key, if it is greater than 1, then only we need to print the duplicate characters over here. So guys, simply we will say duplicate character, it is equal to, and this time the character is present inside the key over here that we are iterating through. And then guys, in order to find the count of this particular character, it will be present as the value for that particular key when we refer it using this particular map object. So guys, over here simply we will say count, it is equal to, and then dollar symbol, and inside the open and close curly braces simply we will say character count of this particular key, which is the character over here. So guys, in this way we will be able to print all the duplicate characters along with the count of those characters. So guys, let me just call this particular function, that is duplicate characters, along with the string value. So let us say we provide the string value as programming over here. So simply we will have programming keyword, that is a string, and then what we have to do is simply we need to call the duplicate characters over here without the console.log statement, because we are including the console.log statement inside the function in this case. So guys, duplicate characters is the function, and then we need to provide the string value, that is programming over here. Let me just save this file now and try running this code on the terminal. So let us go inside the programs folder over here, inside which we are going to have our file in this case, that is duplicate characters. So we are going to use the node command in this case. When we press enter, as you can see, we are getting the duplicate characters over here, that is the first duplicate character is R in this case, and the count is equal to 2. As you can see, R is occurring twice over here inside the string. And then we have the duplicate character, that is G over here, which is occurring twice in this string. And then we also have the character, that is M over here, which is occurring twice in this particular string. Now guys, remember that these are only the lowercase characters. When we are going to compare the uppercase and the lowercase character, then they are not going to be the same letter over here. So let us say if we provide this particular R as capital R in this case, and as you can see, this is a small r and we have the uppercase letter, that is R over here. So this time the count will be 1 for both of those letters, and we will not get the duplicate character, that is R over here, when we run this code. So when we save this file now and try running this code once again over here on the terminal, as you can see, we can only get the character, that is G over here, and the duplicate character, that is M over here, along with their counts. So guys, basically this program is going to consider all the characters based on their cases, that is the uppercase or the lowercase characters. Let us see another example over here. What if we provide JavaScript as the string? So let us see what will be the duplicate characters over here. When we save this file now and try running this code on the terminal, as you can see, there is only one duplicate character, that is A over here, which is having the count 2. So as you can see, this is correct. A is having the count 2 over here, and all the other characters are having the single occurrences inside this string. Now guys, what will be the duplicate characters when we provide JavaScript tutorial as the string? Comment in the comment section below all the duplicate characters. Let us see whether your answer is correct or not. So please make sure that you like this video so that it reaches to more people, and subscribe to the channel so that you get the notifications on upcoming videos as well. I'll see you in the next video, in which we are going to talk about JavaScript program in order to print the right triangle star pattern in JavaScript. So stay tuned.